ZOESHAAA.
Hey guys, and welcome to Sunday. I am actually not really going to be starting this week's or this next weekly vlog today, only because I feel like I want to do like a week, like like the week leading up to my trip. So I'm gonna start it either Monday night, whoa, it's tomorrow, or Tuesday. You guys, time is flying. It's literally December the 12th. We're going to Jamaica! Anyways, I did just want to turn on the camera and just talk to you guys because today, this weekend was hectic. You guys, my suitcase is still right there. Nothing happened to it yet. As you can see, the clothes them still right here. I'm gonna take off the box out for the balcony with the shoes. I went shopping again today. So yeah, okay, so let me just break it down for you guys today. So today was pretty much just finishing a lot of orders. Let me show y'all, 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 let me show y'all. My house is a complete mess. Let me show y'all, let me show y'all, let me show y'all. So this was the extra balloons from yesterday's first event. Props from yesterday's event. I literally just brought everything upstairs. Look, at my grapefruit is on the freaking floor. I just went grocery shopping really quick. Oh, actually, I'll show y'all a quick little haul of my groceries and stuff like that afterwards. Like, I need to clean the house. Ow, I broke a cup yesterday and the splinters are getting into my feet. Anyway, so yeah, this is what my apartment is looking like after my apartment was nice and everything. No, yeah, watch the things there, watch the good things there. The G is missing, just insert G here. So yeah, anyways, as I was saying, completed a lot of projects today. I did all these cups, every single last one of them. I do all of them today. Yeah, because I have an order going out. This whole thing is an order, and then I have bags to complete with that. I had this to complete, like literally, you guys, I've been here or on the road today. Had to do these, and I have more to do for that order. So was doing that, got dropped off this stuff, this box of stuff to complete the next order. Remember, you guys, I was telling you guys I had an order of 50 cups. Yeah, here they are. So that needs to be done by Wednesday. What else? As I said, went shopping, trying to find some shorts. I ended up getting some shorts. One of them I have to bring back because it doesn't fit me. So yeah, bummer, because that was the only like jeans one. And then I bought a pair of heels. Super cute. They were on sale for $5, but they don't fit my foot, but I'm still gonna wear it and take a picture in it. So absolutely. I got these furry slippers because I had got this robe, right? But I'm like, I need slippers. Even though I could have got, they had a gray. I don't think they had black in my size. No, they didn't. But anyways, I need the slippers. So got that. And yeah, picked up some stuff for babe. I got this really cute, this turned into an impromptu haul, but I got this really cute like thing set because I am going to be wearing a wig when I go down, as I told you guys. So I need this to you know, when I'm washing my face and stuff like that. So got that. It was on sale for $5 and it came with 2 scrunchies, so that was good to have. I think that was it from there. And then yeah, so these were the shorts that I had picked up that can't fit. Just some basic jean shorts. Yeah, but they don't fit me, so I'm gonna return those. And then there was a sweater that I wanted to pick up for babe, so I'm just gonna return this and get the sweater. Put the receipts in the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that weekend or Monday. Next week, Monday the latest. And then I got myself another bathing suit. Guys, it was $5 a piece, so that's that. Very cheeky. And the top is a bandeau top. Really cute, simple, vibrant. It's giving the vibes. And then I got a black shorts that has some lace detailing here. Y'all, I went to Orpheus Road. If you're from Toronto, you know where I'm talking about. So yeah, I went to Orpheus Road and I got those. I think the shorts were $7 each. And I got a white pair. Just, I want shorts, you know, as an option. I don't really like wearing shorts, but I still like to have them as options. You know, I was thinking like, okay, I have all these like going out stuff, but I don't have any like, you know? I mean, I do. I still have my cup sheet stuff, but you never know. You never know. So anyways, that's that for that. I had to go on the road, drop off a delivery. Let me just do a quick synopsis of my day today, okay? Got up around 9. No, I got up a little bit after 8. Got ready. Was waiting for these people to wake up so I could drop off an order. Boom. Time was going. It was like after 11 o'clock, I decided I'm gonna go on the road. That's when I went to pick up these stuff from Orpheus Road. Then the people that for the order woke up, so I was able to go and drop that off. So I dropped that off. After that, I went and I dropped off my wig. I went to my sister's house. I dropped off my wig so that can get dyed, so that I can do my hair either this weekend or on Monday. So that's one thing checked off of the Jamaica list. Then I went home. I started that order. So I did go? Yeah, started that order. Then the person for the other cups came to drop off their order. Then I had to go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff for this coming up week. And then just got home a while ago, and then I was getting another order for some CMOS. So I went to the event that you guys would have seen in the previous weekly vlog, the last event where I did the black and gold balloon setup. The person for the house, he makes and sells CMOS. I will insert his Instagram information either on the page on the screen or in the description box, where you guys, if you guys are local in Toronto and you guys are interested in CMOS and stuff like that. I know Babe really wanted some CMOS, so I was like, he was like, I'm selling them, and he made me a smoothie while I was there, and it was actually really good. It was blueberry and banana, even though I don't really like blueberries, but really good. And I was just like, I don't know, me and Babe have been, especially Babe more so, has been on this really like health type thing. Anyway, so yeah, he's been really on this, like, you know, trying to better our health, trying to do things in terms of our diet and just lifestyle and all of that stuff, because we're in our 30s. We want to be here for a longer time period and stuff like that. So he's been like really like, oh, you need to eat on this time, you need to eat this, you need to incorporate this, you need to take out this, you need to because he's my dad. He's my dad and my husband and my boyfriend and my brother and everything in one, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, gotta listen to my daddy. So when he said he was selling the CMOS, I was like, yo, this is perfect, because I can save some for myself and I could carry down some for Babe. So I'm gonna get another mason jar or something that I can put Babe's in, and he can have some to implement into his diet while I have some here as well. Or I might just bring the whole thing for him, and then when I come back, I just get one for myself, you know? So that's really good. I need to put that in the fridge. And that brings us to now, which is 7:46. So I don't know what else it is I'm gonna do. I have to go back into my thing and see what other projects it is that I have to do. I could start writing out the names for this next order that I have of these fucking 50 cups that need to be done by Wednesday. When they placed the order, which they did last minute, right? They were like how they wanted it in black. First of all, they balled on my price, and I don't know if I told you guys this, but I was just like, you know, whatever. It's my boss's family and whatever, you know what I mean? So yeah, 2022, I ain't doing that shit. Friend, family, nothing, I ain't doing. There's only one person next year and beyond that I will actually give a discount to, and that's my sister, because she literally speaks my name in rooms where I'm not there. She's always bigging me up. She's always referring me to people, like always. You get what I'm saying? Even yesterday she was just like, Zoe, I know we're friends and everything, but she was like, yo, you're really professional. Like, she's like, you know, like sometimes like when you get stuff from your friends and stuff, like you don't get the same. I'm like, girl, when it comes down to my business, anything with my name on it, in case y'all ain't know. I take it very seriously. So yeah. She was the one that actually got me the sea moss because she was like, girl, you deserve it. You deserve a tip. So yeah, I'm exhausted, you guys. Like, my body is so freaking sore. Like, my bum cheeks are sore. My thighs are sore. My elbows are sore. Oh my god, I want to sleep again. Anyhow, that's basically what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna call it a night in terms of work. I want to edit a vlog because it's gonna be a week now that I haven't posted anything, and I kind of want to let y'all know what's going on before you guys just see me in Jamaica, because I feel like I want to announce that I'm going to Jamaica before I start putting up that I'm in Jamaica when I go down, you know. So I have literally a week to get up at least 2 videos. I know when I'm on the plane, I have all intent to edit, even if it's at least 1 video. I have all intent to edit at least 1 video. So that 4 hours there, I must can edit at least 1 video and figure it out. But I have I need to make a list of everything that I need to get and do prior to leaving. I need to clean, do laundry, go to my mom's, see if there's anything there that she needs for me to bring down for her, and also make sure everything in my mom's house is good too before I leave, because as I said, she's not here, and I'm the only one with the key. So yeah, I don't think I need anything else in terms of like clothes wise. I don't know what's gonna happen with my cup sheet stuff, but I hope they're able to send me out another package, because I did not buy cover-ups, I did not buy bathing suits because they were coming. So if I don't get that, I'm gonna be really, really upset, because again, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I really and truly don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's the motive for right now, y'all. Until next time. No, until Tuesday. I'm gonna insert this into Tuesday. I mean, into this week before I leave for Jamaica vlog. So you guys, in the next clip, we will be counting down. We will have exactly 1 week left until Jamaica, until you guys are reunited with the people, them man, and all of them something there. Speaking of which, I need to get another memory card. And stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna try to get my life together. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye! Hey guys, it's your favorite girl ZOESHAAA. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can obviously tell by the title, this is a week with Zoe episode. Another week with Zoe. Welcome to another week with me. This week is special because we are getting ready for Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. Cause you know, from December start, every day is Christmas. So yeah, so getting ready to go on a vacation. So exactly in a week from today, we will be, well, right now, next week, these times, I will already be snuggle up, probably on Brown Tree. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, next week these times I would have already landed everything, reached my destination and everything. And yeah, because it's now 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5:48, and I'm just getting home from work. It's literally my last week at work. I was considering going in on Monday, but I don't think I'm gonna go in. I think if I go in on Monday, it's only gonna be to like drop off Christmas gifts, because I haven't figured out what I'm gonna do for my boss this year as of yet. So yeah, but what happened today? So today I did my travel authorization. I had to book my COVID test because now when you are leaving from Canada, you do have to book a COVID test in order to enter into Jamaica. Once upon a time, we did not need to have a COVID test in order to enter Jamaica, but times and things have changed. So had to do all of that. Travel authorization is done. I just have to download and print that. And then again, as I said, I booked my COVID test. What else did I do? I made my eyelash appointment, so I'm gonna go do my lashes on Sunday. And yeah, I think tomorrow I'm gonna call my nail lady and book my appointment with her, or just pop up on Monday, because I think Monday I'm gonna do my hair and my nails and any last minute stuff. I'm getting a car for my cousin this weekend, so I will have that, because this weekend I have a million orders to either drop off or have picked up. I have an event to set up for on Sunday. My cousin's birthday party, as I was telling you guys in a couple of vlogs ago, is this Saturday, but it's so freaking far, and I'm just like, do I drive there or not? I'm gonna figure out with the other cousins if they're going or not, because while I love kids, I just feel like parents, sometimes parents do things for themselves and not really for their kids, because this doesn't sound like a kid's party, no offense. But yeah. So yeah, it's hella far. I'm like, for a baby's party, no offense. Like, I love my family, but things just have to make sense in order for me to do it, you know? So yeah. Let me put his cologne away before I forget it. Buy myself perfume. Oh, speaking of which, I want to go get him the next one. If I spray, he's going to know he's going to be surprised, so let me not. Okay, I'm going to put this in my box of things that I'm taking down with me. And which other perfume am I going to take down? I bought this perfume the other day, you guys. I don't know what brand it is, but it smells, I think I'm taking this to Jamaica. It smells like love. Like, I don't know. This was my wedding perfume, and anyhow I see this again, I'm buying it back. This Burberry cologne, so nice. This is the way it did know. So nice, so little, but so nice. As you guys can see from it's traveled, so yeah. This cologne, this perfume, nice. And then this is my next favorite. I don't know how we ended up there, but this might have to go to Jamaica this time. These two. So let me put these in my box. Today, you guys, honestly, ain't nothing really happening today. It's just we have a week left. I am still currently working. Let me show you guys what I was doing all day yesterday. Well, all night yesterday, I should say. Up until maybe like 12 or whatever. Because as I said, I have a lot of last minute orders that I need to get out. And all of that kind of stuff. So this is what my desk is looking like right now. This is the order that I was working on last night. So these color changing cups. Remember I told you guys the order of 50 cups. So here they are. So tonight I'm just gonna finish the other two colors that I have left to do and then wrap those. This order for my supporter Michelle is finished. I just have to do her gift bags and then her order is complete. Yeah, those are the tumblers, and then I have some other stuff that I need to do. So these are all the current orders that I'm currently working on. These three for now. The other ones I have not printed off yet. And yeah, so I gotta get all of those out. And yeah, and then prepare for the event that I have to set up for this weekend, which I just got the package for. So let me open that. Y'all want to see my outfit of the day? Today we at work, we are dropping off, like going to all of our, every year around this time we go to all the companies that we work with, and we just go in for like an annual visit just to kind of get a summary of how they felt the year went, what we can expect for next year, all of that kind of stuff. So that's what we were doing. So I gotta look extra, you know, because when I work in my office, you guys, it's only me, so I don't really care how I look, because nobody really sees me from the bottom down. I'm sitting at my desk, and yeah, so don't really care about that. But got my package. It's a gender reveal I have to set up for on the weekend. So got this thing off of Amazon for the balloons, specifically for Lily. I pray to God. Oh, it came with glue dots. It's cute. Okay. I think it should say boy and girl. I'm not mistaken. Yeah, boy and girl. Oh, boy or girl. Okay. Yeah, boy or girl. There you go. Yeah, so let me just leave this here. So I got a lot of prepping to do, guys. And what else do I have to do? I don't know, but I'll take you guys along with me. Still kind of got to figure out how I want to do my nails. My hair I have to do. I don't even know if my sister got the picture of the color that I wanted. Got to follow up with her. And yeah, but I will come back and there's a little bit more interesting stuff to kind of show you guys. But I definitely do want to take you guys with me for this week. Just like I've been taking you guys with me for previous weeks. And then start, I don't know how I'm going to do Jamaica vlogs this year. I just don't feel like I need to vlog every single day. Only because I feel like a lot of you guys only are here to watch my Jamaica content. And I don't think it's necessarily fair to me because I do put in a lot of hard work when I'm home. Like, yes, I vlog when I'm in Jamaica. Yes, I'm of Jamaican descent. Yes, Jamaica is my background. Yes, I'm Jamaican. However, I'm not a Jamaican vlogger living in Jamaica. So I would still love for the support to be there. While I have my, you know, probably like 1,500 to 2,000 of you guys that actually still support me. So I would want to do it for y'all, but I wish there was just another way for me to do it. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my membership thing for you guys so you guys can get the exclusive stuff. Because as I said, I know there's people on here who have subscribed to me just to watch whatever it is that I do. And I know it's also my fault as well because I haven't been that consistent. But I try to bring you guys in as much behind the scenes so you guys can see why Zoe isn't so consistent. And right off the bat, like, this year just wasn't a normal year for me. So as I said, going into 2022, I have a lot of things more, I have things more penciled out. I feel like I'm somewhat back on track. And then I feel like when I go to Jamaica this time and reset and come back, like, it will be 10 times better. So yeah, what I actually want to do today is edit a vlog, or start editing a vlog to at least start putting up content so that when I am gone, y'all are in the know of what's going on. Because as I said, I don't want to start posting on Instagram or anything until you guys know that I'm in Jamaica. I don't want it to be like, you get what I mean? So I kind of want you guys to know so it's not so much of a surprise, and maybe I can enjoy like my first day or so like on the island, just on the island, you know, because I get down the 21st, although I'm thinking to switch my flight right now. I think I want to switch it to the Monday. I think I want to leave on the 20th. So let's see what happens. I don't know how that would work, but yeah, anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna go find some feeds. Y'all, I made my good foods, as you guys would have seen. I have one more left, and I'm gonna take it out and make that for tonight. Although it's Toonie Tuesday. I also need to make a list. I need to clean my house, but I need to make a list of I need to make a list of I need to make a list of things that I need still for my trip. Like, I look at my Amazon cart, and my Amazon cart is like $600. I'm just like, where? Who is buying anything in there for $600? There's some lighting stuff that I do need for my trip. There's a camera that I do need for my trip. There is like a bag that I want, but I'm like, is it necessary? Like, I'm pretty sure I can find like a cheaper one on Amazon if I really do look. So that's what I'm saying. I really just need to take the time to look through the stuff, figure out what else it is that I need to get, like especially for like Babe and all of that kind of stuff. I need to make stuff. Oh my gosh. Anybody want tobacco juice? You can take the girl out of Jamaica, but you can't take the Jamaican out the girl. Girl. I'm going to, because I feel like I'm all over the place. I feel like I can't even, I need to find my next tripod because this tripod is not coming to Jamaica with me like this. Yeah, guys, I can't believe it. Like, I was just, like, we were just talking about it and we were just like, yo, because how everything happened, like it's not like it wasn't a regular trip. Like for this time, for the first time, like going to Jamaica in December, I was just like, I don't know if this is actually going to happen. I feel like so many things kept coming up and I'm just like, bro, this ain't supposed to happen. You know what I'm saying? But God good. Everybody is literally going down. T just went down, I think yesterday or today. That's T from Tevin T, his only princess on Instagram. You guys seen that we linked up when Anisha was here. Anisha went back. Ashley's down there. Chantel is down there. My friend Kamisha is going down. It's about to be lit. I hope I get to meet up. Like, I hope I get to meet up with some of my supporters this time. I really want to do like a meet and greet, and I'm kind of mad that I just did not feel like I needed to announce that I was going to Jamaica this time. I kind of just wanted it to happen, and yeah, wanna see me down there, you understand? Yeah, so when I reach down, I'll see how things go and then take it from there. Yeah? Alright. That's enough talking for me. Excuse me. I got things to do. Check in with you guys a little later, okay? Bye! Y'all, it's 10:15. All the cups are complete. All of them complete. So I'm about to lid them up and put the straws in them and wrap them. Yeah, all for tomorrow. Okay, then what's tomorrow? Wednesday. I gotta come home. I gotta make mugs. I have to do bags and like, yo, anyways, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm here watching 90 Day Fiance Before the 90 Days, the new season, so I'm gonna get into that and do this and call it a night, because as I said, it's 10:16. I want to be in bed by 11:30. So yeah, peace guys. This is it for Tuesday. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, I just made a sale on the missing pieces, you guys. You guys haven't heard me talk about the missing pieces in a long time, but missing pieces. Yeah, girl. I'm getting rid of some of my old stuff. Like, thank God. Yeah. Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl, ZOESHAAA, and welcome to Thursday. Y'all, tomorrow is my last day at work. Today was the kids at school's last day at school for the year. Alright, cool. Now, we have this thing called Omicron, whatever the chronic one name, right? The chronic something. Where it's putting a lot of effect, or an effect on traveling during the holidays. Our Prime Minister has asked that if we do not need to travel, not to travel, because they are not sure if we will be able to come back. Y'all, I am literally, it's deja vu because I'm just like, bro, I'm leaving on the 21st again. I left on the 21st last year. This is the same shit that happened, and I couldn't come home till 6 months later. To go or not to go? Like, seriously, to go or not to go, you know? So, yeah, but anyways, I wanted to open this on camera with you guys because I just got my Christmas gift from work. Oh, like, bruh. Can't believe it's that time of the year, which for me it came super fast because I was only at work for 6 months, right? Like in the office. So my boss gave my Christmas present today. So, ooh, this is almost like what I wanted to give him. Oh, nice. Happy holidays. Okay, let me read the card. I'm a card person, you guys. I love cards. I love letters. I love notes. I save all of those things. I absolutely love them. What's up? Season's greetings. How bright are the joys at this beautiful time of year? How warm are the memories? May the holiday season bring you many happy moments that become favorite memories. Absolutely. So that's my card. Thanks, boss. I know my videos pop up from time to time, so I got a cute. Aww. It's a cake mix, so I can make a cake in a mug. That's cool, and it's Oreo. I wonder if this is what we gave to everyone this year for Christmas, but that's cute. Thanks, boss, and thanks, Isa. I know y'all was part of it. That's that bonus. This envelope be tick. Let's see. I'm gonna see what my what? Bruh. Exceeded my expectations. I hate counting my bonus because I'm just like, by the time I'm ready for each, I'm always finished off. But that's lit. I'm gonna put that with my money stash. But yeah, guys, nothing really happened, and I have more work to do. That cup order that you guys see me working on earlier this week, that got picked up today. I have to finish all my gift bags today and start packaging a next order, taking my pictures. What time is it right now? 5:38. So yeah, gotta work on all of that stuff tonight, make some signs, all of that kind of stuff. And then I think that's like the last thing. Oh, I have a mug. I have 2 mugs. I need to print those pictures. Y'all, I got a whole bunch of shit to do and not a lot of time because what? Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's my last day at work. After work, I have to head to Mississauga to go and pick up balloons for my event this weekend. Then I also have to like get any last minute stuff that I need, right? Saturday, I think I'm gonna be home for most of Saturday. We're getting like any last minute stuff. Sunday morning, my last appointment is at 8 o'clock. My COVID test is at 12. The event that I have to set up for starts at 3. So that means I have to set up between 12 and 3. Oh, hold on one second, I'm recording, hold on. So I have to set up between 12 and 3. I have to set up between 12 and 3, and then yeah, I still have to pack. As I said, I still have to get last minute stuff. What else? Even though I have a list on my phone and I have a list in my book, so I kind of know what it is that I need to get, and anything that I kind of remember along the way. Luckily, I have my phone with me, so I just kind of like punch it in or whatever. So yeah, but for the most part, I think I'm good. That's the only thing. Like, I think I'm really good. Anything that I'm gonna go pick up right now, it's just stuff that I know that I need to get, which is normally like my last minute stuff. Like, I literally just ran out of deodorant, so I gotta go pick up extra deodorant. Yeah, I don't think I really need anything else because mommy sent down a barrel, so if there is anything that I need, I'm pretty sure when I go down, like, I can get it. And if I need anything, which again, as I said, I don't think that I need anything, so I think I'm good. But yeah, that's it. Tomorrow is literally the last day of work. Like, wow, I can't believe it. Like, that's it. That's it till 2022. That's crazy, bro. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys. There's nothing really much to see. I probably won't pick up back the camera until tomorrow, which I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow anyways. But yeah, the reason why I didn't pick up the camera yesterday is because I literally came home and was working, and I came home pretty late. So it was just work mode as the girl had to come and pick up the order. And yeah, just at work or whatever. So when the fun stuff starts happening, like me doing my nails, my lashes, my eyebrows, and all the extra stuff that I have to do this weekend, it should be eventful leading up until we gotta get the hell out of here. So hopefully the border is still open on Tuesday where I can leave and get the hell out of here. So yeah, everything is pretty much done. Travel authorization is complete. I just gotta print that. I need to get my vaccination passports. Yeah, because in order to leave this country, you gotta be fucking vaccinated. So yeah, and I don't want to hear anything. Everybody can keep their comments to themselves. Everybody has to do what they need to do for themselves. Whatever you guys choose to do, that's what you guys choose to do. Your body, your choice. I'm not implementing this for anybody to like think like, oh, she's pushing it. I'm not pushing this on anybody, okay? I'm not pushing it on nobody. Everybody have to do what them have to do. Everybody have them own people, them own big smarty. So yeah, the choice is yours to do whatever the hell it is that y'all want to do. Okay. Yeah, I think that's enough for today though, guys. As I said, tomorrow should be more, well, the weekend should be more eventful. Like after this, it's just eventful. So after today, it's just eventful. Friday vibes, Saturday vibes, Sunday vibes, Monday vibes, Tuesday vibes. Okay, vibes. So see you guys then. Bye. Hey guys. You guys, it's Saturday. I know I didn't come talk to you guys yesterday, but y'all, I don't have time for anything right now. I don't have, so yeah, it's Saturday. Just came home. It's almost 11, if not 11, 10:53 on the dot. And yeah, I got work to do. Have a lot of things to do actually, and I have to head back on the road. So I'm gonna do some stuff and then just go back on the road because my car is not in the visitors parking. And I can't bother for them to it again today. I can't bother. I need to care. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Just came home to drop off the stuff that I have, and then I have to go back on the road. I have to go to Michael's and pick up something, and then come home and finish my jobs, which mostly everything is done. And then I have my last event for tomorrow. So tonight I'm just gonna do everything that I need to do for that. And yeah, but I need to start packing tomorrow morning. Actually, I need to call my lash lady to confirm my appointment for tomorrow. I have to do my nails. I think I'm just gonna do my nails and my lash. Well, no, I have to set up the event. Never mind. I'm gonna do what I can do tomorrow. I'm supposed to do my COVID test. I'm gonna double check because I seen at Walmart I can do it for cheaper, 20 bucks instead of 40. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I was supposed to use the bathroom and show y'all. Never mind. So yeah, that's what's up for now. If there's anything that comes more interesting, I will let y'all know. But T-minus 3 days. What is today? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 3 days. Even though we are being asked not to leave the country because we may not be able to come back. So good morning, guys. It is freezing. Oh my gosh. But anyways, it's Sunday. I don't know if I picked up the camera yesterday. Did I? Anyways, well, if I didn't, let me give you guys a quick recap. What time is it right now? Let me see if I have time. Shit, 7:48. Oh my god, my appointment's in 12 minutes. Yesterday. Had orders picked up, did laundry, went on the road, got some things. What else? I think that was pretty much it. Yesterday was pretty much a working day. Today I have my last event. Right now I'm heading to my eyelash appointment because these bad girls need to be done. You guys, I'm so scared about going to Jamaica for the simple fact of getting stuck because of just how everything is crazy and going on right now with COVID. I'm just really freaking like, I don't think anybody understands like the anxiety that I have right now. Like, I'm just so fucking nervous. But as I told Babe, I said even if I just come down for the Christmas and have to rush come up back sooner than I was expecting to come back, I just that, because yeah, it was reported there was like 20,000 something cases in New York. Whether it's fake or not, like so anyways, yeah, I was trying to warm up the car a little bit, but maybe I'm gonna give myself one more minute, even if I'm like 10 minutes later, so it won't be so bad. But I don't really like to keep people waiting for me when I'm paying them for a service or even providing a service. So I'm gonna go and put it in the GPS just to help along the journey, because they're like pointing to know where I'm going. It's gonna take me 7 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna get there at 8:07, so I'll be 7 minutes late. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's fucking cold. Like, girl, it's brick. Like, there's icicles on the car, everything. Just don't have a. Okay, there's a thing warmer, but there's no steering wheel. Voila. Bird, man. Hell, y'all. See you guys when I get to my lash appointments. I'm driving with my lights on right now. Like, yo, guys, please. Hey, Siberda. No. Please, hi, Siberda. Tell me to pay attention, because I'm in a black eyes, ting. You understand? I'm in the skidding thing. You understand? I don't know why when at Christmas time and something like that, like, be a tragedy and them something to reach the world. Whenever I realize that, be a tragedy. Anyways, guys, as I say, see y'all at the lash appointment. It's Sunday! We have 2 more full days left in Canada. Okay, guys, so I'm at my lash appointment. Watch me touching my eyebrows like these are my lashes. Anyways, these are my lashes right now. Nothing. So, yeah. I'm about to look like lashes are everything, man. I just love lashes. But yeah, I got here at 8:08. So, I'm gonna take a nice look at that. Well, I'm gonna try to get some type of footage so you guys can sort of see the process. But I'm excited for the transformation. Don't worry, you're not in it, okay? So guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is where we're at. Me drop asleep. One just waved you. So, show you guys what we're finished. It's freezing. You guys! I love them! You can't even see! OMG, she did so good! Oh my god, I've been forcing her to get like some longer lash length. She's like, for you especially? Anyways, I'll show you guys when I get home. But yeah, below. Get them home. Yes! Look up on the ocean. Already like this. Alright, I gotta go do my COVID test. That is the next stop. Alright guys, so home time. Gonna go home, get what I need to get. And yes! So my lashes are done! I'm so happy I did this instead of just buying strips. See you guys when I get to my COVID appointment. So guys, anyways, I'm here and I'm off. I'm about to go do my last my last event set up for the year. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I want to cry. 2021 was so good to me, even though I was only in business for 6 months of the year, of this year, but did really good. So I'm about to go do that. 2:51. It says I'm gonna get there in like 12 minutes. Actually, let me start the GPS from now. And yeah, so yeah guys, I will see you guys when I get to the space and when I'm starting to set up. I pray to God I have everything, but yeah, let me go. You guys, it's still Saturday. Oh whoa, Sunday.
We didn't know that. We didn't realize that. But
it's 11:29.
Yeah, so awkward. It was
them gone sleep.
Like an interview process. Yeah.
And I'm just here. Yeah, so we're making progress. I'm not fully packed, but there's like the stuff are in my suitcase or whatever the case may be. I'm just gonna save my packing for tomorrow because I still have stuff to get. Not so much stuff, but I still have stuff to get. So I'm just gonna wait until tomorrow when I come home, like fully and home, and just do what I gotta do. So I have a nail appointment at 10. After that, I'm gonna see if I can do my hair. I have something that I need to return. I need to go to the mall. I need to go to Orifice Road. Oh yeah, that's to return. What else?
This is exactly why we have this meeting. So perfect.
I need to wash my makeup brushes.
Okay, well, great.
I have stuff to make.
Christine and I are actually gonna go look at one of her properties for one of my.
Yeah. So that's it for now. I feel like I was really productive this weekend or whatever. And yeah. So I will see you guys another time. Tomorrow.
Photos and specifications as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Let's keep at it. Thank you.
Like guys, I literally have one more sleep after tonight. Like tonight's my last sleep because I'm not sleep tomorrow. So yeah, I love my lashes. Anyways, enough. Bye. Hey guys, I know you guys are gonna be super mad, but I promise you, the wait is worth it. Okay? The wait is worth it. Y'all ready? Ross, y'all ready for me? Y'all ready for me? Y'all ready? Eyelash done, nails done. These are the motherfucking new nails. Love them. I was so confused as to what to do. I didn't want to do anything Christmassy, and I was just like, lines, Jamaica colors, and call it a day. So these are my Christmas 2021 Jamaica vacation nails. This is my hair. Yes, installed and colored by my sister. She understood the assignment, you guys. Literally, this is the color I was going for. Ah! Yeah, I feel like, you know, lashes are done. Yo. So, I know I was supposed to take you guys with me, right? Cool, let me tell y'all what happened. I left out this morning in a rush because like I got up and I was like, I'm gonna go to sleep after 3, right? got up and it was like minutes to 9 and I was like, okay, my appointment's at 10 o'clock, like I have time. Then I'm like, wait, girl, it's after, or it's some minute, like when I realized, like, you know, I'm like, oh my god, it's after 9, like hurry up and get up, like I needed to be out the house by 9:30. Anyways, went to the nail store for 10 o'clock. When I got there, it was super busy. My nail lady was doing somebody else, so I just looked in the window and I left. And then I was gonna go to the mall. Shit, I still didn't get a dress. So I still might have to go to the mall. Anyways, was gonna go to the mall. On my way to the mall, my sister called me and she was like, okay, if you want to come now, you can come do your hair. Boom, turned around and went and did my hair. So I did my hair and I think I finished my hair a little bit after 12:30. It's a wig from, I think I told you guys about it already, but from Annie Bella, I think, yeah, Shop Annie Bella, something like that. I don't know. I'll insert it down below. I'll insert the link to the exact hair that I have. It does not look like my hair like when I bought it. The curl pattern definitely changed. I'm okay with it. I don't really care. It was the color that mostly that I was trying to achieve, which was like a, I don't want to say honey blonde, but like, yeah, with like some like blonde streaks somewhat in it. Girl, it's so nice and it has the dark in it. Yeah, so that's my hair. And then after my hair, I went to the mall to pick up some stuff, like not the mall that I initially wanted to go to, but another mall, to pick up some hair stuff. And also stopped at Dollar Tree to get like some like travel size bottle stuff and other things like that. Shit, I still gotta go to the dollar store. And then went to the bank. Went to the bank, deposited my money that I need for my trip, and yeah, had to return something, did that. So I did a lot of things and it's only after 6 o'clock right now. There's a fire in my building right now, you guys. As I was coming in, like the fire is there. So elevators weren't working, I just had to walk up all the stairs. So I'm a little bit out of breath, but I'm gonna relax for a little bit. I said I was gonna go back on the road in like an hour or so and get anything last minute that I need, and then go drop off my cousin's car and come home and call it a night, because I still have to pack. Luckily, I cleaned up my room last night, so my bathroom, I just kind of want to, you know, wipe it down a little bit and stuff like that. And the same thing for my living room, kind of just tidy it up, do a little sweep, a little mop. Nothing too serial or anything like that, but previous times, like, I've left my house in like chaos, because like I wait till last minute to do everything so it looks like a hot ass mess. I don't really want that for me this time. I just want to come back, because the day literally I come back, I go to work the next day. So I want to make sure that everything is good and I can find everything that I need. I also need to go to the post office to post off a package, to return a package. So I need to do that, and I need to pick up something from the pharmacy. And I also need to get, so yeah, I also need to get tan lotion, suntan lotion, or sunblock. So pretty much really good. And then I have to go drop off my cousin's car, but I can do that whether he's there or not, and whatever. So yeah, it's actually 5:38, and as I said, I think I'm just gonna chill till these fire people at least are gone, so I can take the elevator back downstairs. Although not really that serious, but yeah, I'm gonna relax for a little bit and then head back on the road. Jesus, I totally forgot I didn't get an outfit. I went in the people store looking for a dress because I want a dress for New Year. Although I have a dress, I don't need to. I'm gonna wear what I have. I had this dress that I bought specifically for like my bridal weekend festivities when I was supposed to have like my bachelorette and stuff. So I still have it hanging in there, because literally, you guys, I have all of my bride-to-be stuff in a place, because I'm just like, I'm still getting that moment when it's my time, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear the white dress that I was going to wear for my bridal shower, or my bachelorette weekend. Yeah, I think I'll wear that dress for New Year's and take pictures in that for New Year's. Or there's supposed to be like an all-white party I'm supposed to be going to when I go down there, so I can wear that to that as well. And yeah, but I'm excited. The girl is excited. I should have got some contacts. Can you imagine me with brown eyes and hair? Like, you guys. Yeah. So yeah. Later. I'm just gonna look for myself. Oh, you guys, tell me how. Ooh. Okay, the LED definitely brings off a different type of light. But yeah, you look good. Anyways, so bought a light bulb yesterday, put in my thing in my room because I said I wanted it more bright, because obviously there was only one light bulb in there and it holds two. Tell me how the other one, the one that was already in there, died yesterday. Light don't. You see how that work? I actually have a video to make go public, so I'm gonna do that and chill till it's time for me to go back outside, okay? So I'll catch you guys when I'm packing. I feel like I have a lot to show you guys in terms of that, so I'll just show you guys that because everything else is just gonna be really, really hectic. And yeah, so catch you guys back up, okay? Hey guys, so here we are. It is now Jesus 12:47, y'all. I need to pack, so that me I go do. Let me fix y'all. I cleaned up majority of the house. The only thing left that I have to really clean up is the bathroom, and I'm just gonna do that after I shower and shave and all of that extra stuff. So empty slate. I'm about to get everything done. I'm trying to get all my documents. Yeah, so I have my negative COVID test, I have my travel authorization, and the quarantine order act. So I have all of my stuff, plus I already submitted them online because I already checked in, paid for my suitcases and everything. So that is done. And this is my passport cover. So cute! Okay, I have my laptop case. On some extra max. I made us some cups. Greatest gal, yeah, cause that's me. Greatest gal. I love this font, yo. And for babe, these are color changing cups, so excited. I made a shirt for babe. Literally just made them. Everything. He wanted this popcorn shirt so bad. So made him that. Kind of messed it up a little bit, but I can't believe I'm going to Jamaica today. I swear, this hits me like every time like I'm going to Jamaica. Like I'm just like, oh my god, like I can't believe I'm going to Jamaica. And like literally, nobody knows. Like when I went to do my hair to my sister today, she was telling me something that she wanted to happen, and I was like, oh well, I can make it happen when I go. She's like, you're going? I'm like, yeah. When else do I do my hair? Like as of lately, it's not like one time like when I would go to her every 2 weeks and change my hair or whatever. Like, yeah, I don't have the time, but I need to make the time. Okay, guys, so I'm thinking. Right, I know it's gonna be a lot of like all over the place type stuff because like right now it's just a kind of a hectic little bit of a time, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I'm thinking that I'm going to include like little, like anytime that we're like at leisure or not really doing anything, I think I'm just gonna include those in like weekly vlogs instead of doing like daily Jamaica vlogs, because I'm not a daily vlogger, you know what I mean? And then like when we're going places, I don't know if I explained this before because I feel like this is like I feel like I'm repeating myself, but anyways, I feel like if we go somewhere like specific, like on an excursion or a new place to eat or something like that, and it's like a lengthy type content, then I'll do that. If we go to a specific area for a while or whatever, I might vlog that separately. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna include them in like regular like week with Zoes, like Jamaica vacay. Yeah? Comment down below, let me know, because before I edit those videos, this will be up. So comment down below, let me know. How you guys comment down below will determine the type of Jamaica videos y'all get. Okay, I'm just gonna do like a quick little haul with y'all, you know, so it's not boring or anything before I like pack in my stuff of like everything that I got today. More work stuff. Where the freak is the cake? Y'all, I got a cake. I don't know where the cake is. Oh, the cake. I'm eating this before I go. So. Oh my god, you guys. Let me bring y'all down a little. Okay. I hope y'all can see because I'm not going for my ring light right now. Just zoom y'all in a little bit. Okay. So this is what we wanted to start. I bought some panties. Cause you know you need some new panties. Yo, there's something I want to make and I hope I can make it. If not, I'm gonna set that down for Valentine's or something. Get some fancy. Oh, I forgot about my candy! From Dollar Tree. I got some makeup wipes. I got a travel case. I'm just gonna put some pads. I'm gonna put like masks, sanitizer, my lotion, mouthwash. Cause you know when you come off of the plane, you want your mouth fresh when you. I still can't believe I'm gonna do that. You guys are probably like, call the girl I'm going like she up if see her man, and when she seems she go up attitude and if your man pisses you off, you're not gonna have an attitude. Bye. Anyways, yeah, I said what I said. And thought somebody could put ass when my mama said something. Okay, so yeah, I got that, and then I got the mini lotion, I got the mini mouthwash, and I got this elf mascara. And I bought this candy. I don't know if you guys ever had this. I didn't have this brand. This seems like a bootleg brand to me, but the ones that I grew up, there was blue, red, and green. The green was, I think, sour apple. So bomb. But I love these little booze tubes. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't have even opened it. I should have saved it for my training tomorrow. Oh my god. Coming to Jamaica. I also got these travel case things. I'm gonna put I don't know if I want to put my face cream in here or I have my hair lotion and I have my face cream. I don't know if I want to travel with this. But then I'm like, no, I think I'm gonna squeeze this out and put this in here. The body mist, or the mist. I don't know what I'm gonna put on Laura. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna bring that one, but I got this one because it had two of these bottles. So I think I'm gonna put one of them with my face thing. I don't think I'm gonna need it so much. And then yeah, I don't feel like I need to bring the big tube. I'm trying to stay as light as possible. So have that to do. I went to Ardeen's. For those of you who know Ardeen's, I went to Ardeen's and I bought another bathing suit. You know, because as I told you guys, my package from Cup Sheet was stolen, so I didn't get my swimsuits from them or my cover-ups from them. So upset. But anyways, got this. Yeah. $5. Wait. $5. And then I got this shirt, $5 from Blue Notes. I got these shorts, just some little lounging around shots from Blue Notes, $5. I got this shirt for Babe, $5, Blue Notes. And yeah, that's all I got from Blue Notes. It's old. This I got from Sirens, and I also got some new makeup sponges, beauty blenders, whatever. Oh, and I also got this from Dollar Tree. I bought these from Ardeen's, $7. Yeah. And I also went to the hair store. I needed a sharpener. I needed a new concealer. I needed a hair sheen. This is the one that I picked up. And I needed a wax stick. So I got this. So yeah. That has packed in. Oh, and I got some pasties. Because there's a couple outfits that I have where I don't really want to wear a brassiere, and I do not want to wear a brassiere. Then from the dollar store, got some Febreze just for the house, and I got some toothbrush travel stuff, a new set of headphones, and you guys, I was gonna order these on Amazon. Because we're obviously gonna go in the water and stuff, right? So I got these from Amazon. No, I was gonna get them from Amazon. They were like $12 each, and I was like, maybe wherever we go, they'll probably sell them, and I'll just get them then or whatever. But then I was walking through the aisle. I'm like, let me just walk through all the aisles to see what it is that I need in case I'm forgetting what it is that I need. Looked up and I seen these $3 for the waterproof cases. Even though I'll show you guys in a second, I got a bootleg, whatchamacallit, GoPro, basically. So I got a waterproof camera. But yeah, super excited. Yeah, this is cool. Used to have them sold like so long ago, and then I don't know what happened to them. Now they're so expensive. But yeah, that's all that I got today, and I got a pack of thing boxes for Christmas gifts. So now what I gotta do is just basically figure out all of my outfits, make sure everything makes sense, and then just pack everything in, like everything in. Let me go through my closet and make sure there's nothing else in there that I could potentially want to carry. I'm gonna go finish packing and try to do what I need to do so that by like 3:30, like I'm just kind of cruising, even though I feel like I'm pretty good for time. Like I'm pretty much done. Luckily I had everything already packed out. I just need to put my accessories in my hand luggage. That's where I'm gonna put my stuff, and then pack my hand luggage as well, which when I am packing my hand luggage I'll come back because there's some cool stuff that I got in there. So let me just finish with this stuff and then I'll be back. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so onto my hand luggage, which I already started. I did the travel bottles. I actually did make use of the spray bottle. I put the sheen in the little bottle, and then I have my face scrub and I have my hair lotion. So got use out of that. So some new things that I got for this trip that I am really excited about. Okay, so apart from this, I got a action camera. This is from the brand APEMAN International Co. Limited. I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like 70 bucks or something like that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Really tiny and dainty. So yeah, got this for water stuff or like adventure stuff where I don't want to bring my camera and risk like breaking it. And then I always put my electronic stuff, like all of my chargers, my remote, like Bluetooth remote controls, my batteries, anything that I'm gonna need electronic wise, like even my handhelds thing. Speaking of which, I need to find my other one. I have the film for my thing, my instant cameras. I have lashes. But yeah, as I was saying, like the remote, stands, SD cards, all of that kind of stuff. And this was from, I can't remember the name right now, but I can go back to an old video and put it in. I actually need to wash it because it's kind of dirty. I actually religiously, you guys, use this ever since I got it. I use it on every single trip. So this bad boy is going in here, and then I need to get like a little sandwich bag and put all the little like accessories and stuff in there. But for now, I'm gonna put the camera in there. Take this off. So yeah, it came with like a big box of accessories. So I don't know what I'm gonna need one for. Can figure that out when I get there. The batteries are super tiny. And my camera charger batteries are charging right now. So plans for that. So basically that's how everything would go. I put all my chargers here in this elastic part. My computer charger mostly goes like in here, like the big stick brick part goes in there. I honestly could put all the accessories in here, you know, in this different part right here. I honestly really and truly can. So I'll see if I can do that. And then yeah, so yeah, fits literally every single thing. When I'm done, I will show you guys exactly what I mean, but super cool. I love it. And like it expands, so no matter what you're putting in there, and there's like different compartments, everything. See, like literally everything fit in here. Love that for me. Don't bother needing it. Don't bother needing it. Ooh, I got a mic with it too. Shoot. Okay. So that's for that. Sorry guys, I'm back. Battery died. That's why it's a good thing that I have extra so they can be charging. So yeah, as I was saying, I got this other thing as well. There's a influencer that I follow from Toronto. Well, she's not from Toronto, but she's from Canada. I think she's from, I don't know, she's from Canada. Her name's Monique Smith, and she always gives out little tips and stuff for people who are trying to step their Instagram picture game up, which is I. So she got these LED lights. This is not the exact one I'm pretty sure she's using, but this is the one that I could afford, at least for right now. So to take pictures at night, y'all, where's the lights? So this is the light. Hi. Like, hi. So you can literally turn up or turn down. You have different modes in terms of the colors, like different hues, stuff like that. So yeah. This was very much worth it, because if you guys don't know or can't tell by now, I am trying to step up my Instagram pictures, which I feel like I have been doing. So yeah, and then it comes with this little like soft box, so you can use this to, I guess, filter out some of the harshness if there is any, depending on, you know, when you're taking your pictures and stuff like that. So this is going in here as well. That is for pictures at night. Okay, y'all can't tell me that I'm not trying to go on above and beyond to influence y'all. Okay, baby. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a stand to take my own pictures. So same thing, Monique, she has this stand and she takes her own pictures, and her pictures are bomb. So I have a problem where I'm always relying on other people to help me with my video creation or my picture creations or whatever, and if I don't have assistance, I feel like I can't do it. So with this, I don't have any excuses, so I'm really excited about this. I wanted to order it for so long, but I said, you know what, Zoe, just wait, just wait and wait. So I got it now. So that is going in my hand luggage along with my big ass box of accessories. I need to find my glasses now and pack those in. I want my hand to be as light as possible, so I'm really trying to not overpack anything there. Guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog until it's time for me to go to the airport. So I will see you guys when I'm at the airport or heading to the airport, whatever. Okay, I think I captured enough getting ready with me till I go to the airport. Now I really need to just focus on getting ready and getting out and getting to the airport, because yeah, it's 2:35. My flight's at 9, but it's busy at the airport because it's Christmas time. It's literally 4 days before Christmas, so yeah. So guys, made it. I am checked in, everything goodie is ready to go. Like, we're here, we're waiting, we're going to Jamaica. Yeah. So yeah, about to board very soon. I was talking to babe, I don't know if I drop a seat last me here, him say am I gonna look pretty, I don't know. But yeah, we should be starting to board soon. We're supposed to start boarding at 8 o'clock. I think the plane is here, if I'm not mistaken. So I bought a burger, I got my tea. I'm gonna eat and serve you guys. Every time I sit down, I just bulk. Like, I'm tired. Me work right through, like right up until we're ready for life, me work. So yeah. But I'm glad I came when I did. I ended up getting here a little bit after 5:30. So yeah, but there was just so many lineups, and the baggage drop kept jamming, so I was in that line for the longest time. But soon go sit down on the plane and can sleep for 4 hours. And then I have to stand up in our next line. Go talk to nurse and our one bag of things. Yeah, them cut out them something there, you know, because you already fill out all of that stuff online, so I don't understand why you still have to walk and go talk to people and all them something. But anyways, that's Jamaica for you. Everything always has to be a little bit more extra, longer, difficult. Yeah. So yeah, but I'm excited. Probably when I reach my destination, I'll stop the vlog, just because the video that I want to do, the first video that I want to do is like 24 hours in ultra reels type thing. So we'll see what happens. We have plans for tomorrow, and then our initial plans look like they're gonna mash up, so I'm not really sure what's gonna happen, but anything we shall saw, we shall see and rave. So yeah, when I get in the plane, I think I'll come back and I'll talk to y'all. There's nothing really else to really talk about right now. So yeah, but we're going to Jamaica. I know you guys are excited, but that's what I have to ask. You know, someone down in the comments I talk about, yeah, we're going to Jamaica. Ray. Yeah, we're going to Jamaica. We are going. Yeah, it's so funny. I am hilarious. People are probably looking at me like, what is wrong with this girl? Why is she laughing by herself? Should have known I have almost 10,000 people where watch me, you know? But yeah, I want to get on and sleep. I was able to tag my hand luggage, so that I'll just pick up with the rest of my suitcases, and life will be so much easier. We can just walk and go on which part we need to go, but I'm gonna have my laptop in my hand. So yeah, guys, see you guys when we get on the plane. I'm getting some kind of games tonight. Oh, we can't do a little backseat driving for sorry for anybody in my family that's watching this. I didn't mean to. Anyways, I'm married. I'm not fornicating. Anything with me I do, God approve. So, right, true. See you guys when we get there. Or see you guys in the plane.
Member already? Check out the exciting new features and benefits and join at aircanada.com. My name is Yolanda, and today I have the pleasure of working with Paul, Rachel, Shania, Captain Nigel, and First Officer Craig are the controls up front. We remind you that wearing an approved face covering over your nose, mouth, and chin, even if you're fully vaccinated against COVID-19, is required by Transport Canada and is a condition of your travel with us today. Recent guidelines from Public Health Agency the Public Health Agency of Canada encourage the wearing of multi-layer face covering. We highly recommend these using the 3-ply mask provided in your clean care kit if you do not have one available. Refusal to comply could result in authorities meeting the flight upon arrival, where you may be subject to financial penalties. In addition, all cases of non-compliance will be reported to Transport Canada.
We'll be there shortly.
Please make sure your seatback and tray tables are in the upright and locked position and your seatbelt is fastened. Aisles and exits need to be clear and your personal items should be safely stowed. At this time, we also ask that you please stow your laptops, larger electronic devices for takeoff. Personal electronic devices must be set to airplane mode. We kindly ask that you please remove your headsets.
Anyways,
for the safety
safe
demonstration.
travels to both of us, and I will see you guys in Jamaica. I'm not showing nothing else. I want to see that so much time. I don't need to see clothes and runway and all of them stuff. Gone sleep. I'm tired. Bad.
Encore une fois, bienvenue à bord Air Canada Rouge et merci particulièrement aux membres de Errands.
I have not gone to bed before 2 o'clock for the last 3 days. So I'm tired, and last night I just bleached up and sleep none at all. Come to the lady house, she's so rude and I
Je m'appelle Yolanda et aujourd'hui je fais plaisir de travailler avec Paul, Rachel et Shania. Le commandant Nigel et le premier officier Craig sont commandants en avant. Nous vous rappelons que le port de couvre-visage approuvé est exigé par Transport Canada, même si vous êtes complètement vacciné contre la COVID-19. une constituée d'une condition de votre voyage avec nous aujourd'hui. Les directives renseignant de l'Agence de la santé publique du Canada encouragent le port du couvre-visage à plusieurs touches. Si vous n'avez pas à votre disposition,
So guys, I am still in the airplane on the ground. It's now 11:38. The plane just stopped moved. My flight was supposed to leave at 9 o'clock. It's 11:38. Never been have seen this in my life. Jesus, just take us to where we need to go safe and sound.
Amen.
Yeah, it's through you all things are possible and through your name that we pray. Amen. Yeah. Rachel, we're going to Jamaica.
Yeah, go back to my baby bonus I raise next year.
Who's making a baby? Oy, not this one.
Yes, baby
No.
bonus I raise next year.
Not me, my love.
Maybe you still get 5, I get 8.
Wow.
And then we could have your got twin with me.
Oh my gosh. What if them down there for adapt? Yo, I'm exhausted. Like, we just will want to see but I want the plane take off. So we know something on the journey, but
we don't want
yeah.
to do that.
will be taking off shortly. Please direct your attention to our bridge crew as they demonstrate the safety information for this aircraft. All electronic devices should be set to airplane mode. At this time, headsets connected to portable electronic devices must be removed. If your electronic device falls in your seat, do not remove your seat. Do not move your seat or try to retrieve it yourself. Notify the cabin crew immediately to ensure safe removal of your device. Cabin crew will leave their protective mask during the demonstration. However, if an oxygen mask is required at any time during the flight, please ensure to remove your face covering before securing your oxygen mask over your mouth and nose. Thank you for your compliance in helping to keep everyone safe.
Hey guys, so made it to our destination. Finally, it's like after 8 o'clock. Bruh, what a day. Like, what a freaking day. I will explain more tomorrow or something, but we're at an Airbnb. We're in Ocho Rios. Eventually gonna look something to eat. We literally just got in. I'm beat, like I'm bust. Literally, I'm bust. But you guys, my baby surprised me. So yeah, I don't know where he is actually. Joel! But we'll show you guys a little bit more. Not a little bit more, we'll show you tomorrow where we're staying. They actually have the floaties! I thought it was just for Instagram. They actually have the floaties in the pool! You guys, I specifically got this Airbnb for the views. Like, it's so pretty and secluded and everything. So yeah, but that's the motive for right now. I'm bust. Oh, I'll let Babe say hi, seeing as how I know you guys probably are dying to see his face. Why, I don't know. I still don't see him. I'm gonna piss. Oh, there he is. That's all you have to say to the vlog after 6 months?
Alright, turn on. You go to the feed.
That's it? That's it. Okay, yeah, see you guys, that's the motive. Everybody tired. So yeah. So yeah. I like the concept, it's just open everywhere, kinda leads to everywhere.
that pair in the room.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today, y'all. Let me get a thumbnail.